So here we're using this lovely isometric paper to try and draw a cuboid with the same volume and half the height. So the way I like to think of that is it's going to be the same width, but we're going to halve the height from 2 dots or 2 squares to just 1. So here we are, we're drawing kind of half the cuboid, a cuboid that's sliced through the middle, but then we're doubling the length of it or the width of it. So there's your cuboid. It has the same volume and half the height. There's the height, and it's half of the original height. But the volume will be the same if you think about it. If we split this red, the new red shape, into 2, then, and if you were to pop those one on top of the other, you'd get back to the original cuboid or cube. Okay, so if you add those two together, they would equal that cube.